In today's video, I am going to teach you Stripe how to set up payment plans. We'll walk through 3 practical ways to offer customers more flexible payments using your Stripe dashboard. And I'll share tips so you know exactly what to expect before you hit send. First, let's create a payment plan using an invoice in your dashboard. Head to Invoices and click Create. Add your customer and line items just like you would for any standard invoice. Next, look for the Payment Collection section and choose Request in Multiple Payments. This turns a single invoice into a schedule of installments. Click Edit Payment Plans to fine-tune the details. By default, Stripe splits the total into 4 equal monthly payments. But you can adjust the dates, change the amounts, or set the first payment as a deposit if that works better for your business. Take a moment to double-check the timeline and totals so your customer has a clear picture of what's due and when. When you are ready, click Review Invoice to send it. One important note here, customers must manually pay each installment on these invoice-based plans. Stripe does not automatically charge their card for these specific payment plans, so be sure your customer understands the schedule. Adding a concise note in the invoice memo with the installment dates can help avoid confusion. Next, let's cover using a subscription as a time-limited payment plan. Go to Billing, then Subscriptions, and click Create Subscription. Select your product and its recurring price, such as monthly, to make this behave like a payment plan instead of an ongoing subscription. Set the number of cycles, for example, 6, and set the end behavior to cancel subscription after the final cycle is complete. This way, the charges stop automatically once the final payment is processed. This approach is great if you want Stripe to attempt automatic charges on each cycle rather than relying on the customer to initiate each payment. Finally, consider offering Buy Now, Pay Later with BNPL. You get paid the full amount upfront, minus fees, while the customer pays the BNPL provider over time. To enable this, go to Settings, then Payment Methods, and turn on the BNPL providers you want to offer. These options will appear in Stripe checkout or payment links, so customers can choose the installment provider at checkout. Availability and fees can vary, so pick providers that fit your market. That's it, 3 straightforward ways to set up payment plans in Stripe. Thanks for watching.